Come and try your first experience with Linux using the latest Kubuntu Linux distribution. It's 100% open source. What if your older PC or laptop could feel younger again? In just 5 minutes? And without spending any money. Try the Kubuntu Persistent Live version, a perfect alternative to Windows 11. You don't have to install anything. Just run it directly from a USB flash drive or an external USB disk. What do we need? Any PC or laptop, old or new, that runs Windows. A spare flash drive or external USB disk. How do we get Kubuntu on it? You can either create it yourself from the official ISO file using Rufus, or, even easier, download our ready-to-use Kubuntu Persistent Live and flash it to your USB using Etcher. Both apps are linked in the video description. No installation needed, just download and run them. Ready? Plug in your flash drive or USB disk and restart your computer. Right after restarting, press F12, F2, ESC or Delete to open the boot menu. The key depends on your PC manufacturer. If you're not sure, check YouTube and search How to Open Boot Menu Lenovo or How to Open Boot Menu Dell. Once the disk selection appears, choose USB. You'll see the Kubuntu welcome screen where you can select Try or Install. Choose Try and watch our first minute guide on how to move around Linux. And here's the best part. Everything you do gets saved. You now have your very own portable operating system, and if you like it, you can install it permanently anytime. On the welcome screen, choose your system language and select Try Again. Explore the menu where you'll find pre-installed apps like Firefox for browsing, Thunderbird as an Outlook alternative, LibreOffice Writer and Calc instead of Word and Excel, You also get incredible desktop customization options that neither Windows nor macOS can match. Display settings, resolutions, multi-monitor support, themes, and downloadable styles. Laptop power management in detail. Of course, you can fully customize the panel and add widgets developed by the community. Missing an app? Open the Discover app and with one click install VLC for movies, Clementine for music, GIMP instead of Photoshop, Kdenlive for video editing, OBS Studio for streaming, Steam for gaming, or Gcompress for educational games for kids. The Dolphin File Manager is intuitive, has built-in archiving, and replaces the file explorer you're used to. Firefox is the default browser, but you can also use Chrome or Opera. Firefox will work perfectly for most users and uses less resources than Chrome. LibreOffice Writer lets you write and edit documents, fully compatible with Microsoft Office. The same goes for Calc, the spreadsheet app. You can also check out other apps like a calculator, system monitor, and task manager. Another Windows upgrade? Maybe it's time to move on. Don't buy a new computer just because of the operating system. Your old one still has plenty of life in it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you decide to switch to Linux, I'm sure you won't be disappointed.